Hi everyone, we are going to be making some bugs today out of construction paper, and this method of working that we're going to be doing is called collage. And collage is when you take papers and cut them into shapes and glue them down to another paper to make a picture. So ours is going to be a bug. The first thing is you're going to select a colored piece of paper, you're going to fold it in half like a book. And I always like to tell kids to set it up like a tent. And this way, it makes sure that you're going to be tracing and cutting on the correct side. There's going to be one tracer at your table to share, and this is the bug's body. So you're going to piggyback that tracer onto the paper, close it up, and all you have to do is trace one side. So you're going to take your pencil and trace along that one edge. And then remove it so the next person at your table can use it. Next, of course, you're going to cut. And this is exactly why we piggyback. We make that tent and piggyback the tracer, because you need to cut on this side, the folded side, so that your bug body doesn't fall apart. It stays in one piece. All right, this is scrap. Now I might want to use that, so I'm just going to set that aside. So now when I open it up, I have a symmetrical shape. It's the same on both sides. And this line here is the middle. Now you're going to come and get some construction paper, different colors, and you need to decide how do you want your bug to look. Bugs typically have shapes and dots and stripes on their backs, so think about that. I'm going to start, and I'm just going to give you some ideas, and you can take it from there. So I'm going to set that aside. Now I kind of want this top part to be a color. So one way you can do that is, let me see if that's going to work here. Yeah. So I'm going to, actually I'll fold it this way. And I'm only interested in this top part, so I'm going to put it like a tent, put that top part on, and now I'm going to trace just a little bit, maybe about like that. So I have this shape, and then I'm going to go right across on my own. And now I can cut this out, and it's going to be the same on both sides. Remember the word? Symmetrical. All right, now that I've cut that out, I open it up, and now it fits perfectly right in that spot. I like that. So, of course, I will glue that into place. Put some glue on the back. Now, I'm not going to show you completely how I would decorate my bug, because I don't want everyone's bug looking the same. I'm just giving you ideas on how to do this. So now I have that top part. What else might I want to do? Here's another way that you can use paper, and I just grabbed a scrap here, and I want to add some maybe dots there, circles. So I can fold this in half, and now I'm just going to cut circle shapes. And that way I'm cutting two pieces of paper at a time, so I have two shapes. Now this is not the bug's head. We have the head part we're going to do another time. So don't think that those are eyes. Actually, to make it not look so much like eyes, I'm going to cut some more. Now this is a creative bug, so the more unique, more different yours looks, the more exciting it's going to look when we put them up. So of course I would glue this into place. I can use paper this way. If I wanted stripes going across, sure, I could fold the paper in half, and I'm just going to cut this one skinny line. And if I cut that one skinny line, you'll see, well, there's the middle, but I'd have to trim the edges. So I can glue that down and do that. Some bugs have wings, and you can figure out your own way on how you might do wings. I'm going to have paper up on my big demonstration table, but there's also going to be lots of scrap paper in the scrap box. So use what you can, be inventive, be creative. All you're doing today is creating the bug's body, not his head. His head's going to go here. And next week we will add his legs. Okay? Have fun.